ocean, just a simple, sad emotion, only crying. Ooh, I don't understand it. What's all the fuss? No, I never planned it. Should we leave now empty-handed? Guess we must. Dust to dust. It's a crying shame.